Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you for June and it's the Witch's Moon. This is the box the way it always comes. After you take it out of it has an outer box too. So I had to get it. So let's see what June's theme is. Whatever is in here, it's quite heavy. So this is what I see. So we have our twined info and oracle card. We have Ocean of Eternal Love is the one I got. That's the back. And this is the front. Very, very cool. And let's take a peek at the theme. The theme is Druid Edition, Entering the Sacred Grove. Ooh. Kind of a little bit excited about that, honestly. All right. So our first is a Book of Shadows sheet. Opening the Grove. Opening the Grove. We got that. Oh, we have another small one. And this one says Black Lava Stone. Black Lava Stone. And then we have our big Book of Shadows sheet, and it says Druidry. Very pretty. So we got 1, 2, 3. All right, so right on top we got Palo Santo Copal. We got these in Sugar Muses last month. I think we got 6 sticks though with her. But anyway, we got those. All right. Then we got a bag of Druid Vision Herbal Blend. And this is what it looks like. It looks like we have some salts, and it's called Rise of Owen. Or Awen? Or Alwyn. I'm not 100% sure. But that's what we got. And it's a pretty green bag. Okay, then I have a bubble. Bubbles item. And you are called Tree Guide. Tree Guide. Essential oils. We got another herb, and this one says the Golden Sickle. The Golden Sickle. All right, now we have our candle. Beeswax candle is a pretty dark green beeswax. Always smells good. Okay, so we got that. I guess we're getting down to the nitty gritty. We have this bubble. Oh, off my knees. Oh, God, it sucks getting old. All right, what's in here? I don't know. Oh, wow. It's a big lava stone, I guess candle holder maybe? Looks like it, right? It's very heavy too. And it's polished. It seems like a polished lava stone. I think we got something similar that was like the candle holder was very heavy from Witch's Moon. Different, of course, different, but same idea. But I like this one 100% better because I like black. And what else we got in here? Then we got this guy here. Oh. It looks one of those geodes that maybe you crack. Yeah, it's one of these geodes you have to hit and then open it up. That's exciting. I like that. And I guess this is our last item. Pretty, wrapped up. I think it's so pretty when it's wrapped in twine. What can it be? Oh, this is cool. I do not have this at all. The Druid Path. Beautiful book here. Right? Wow. Here's something else. Sounded weird. Intro, it's got a pretty picture. They all have like different, wow, this is really pretty. It's done like that, real pretty with the pictures. So what does it go over, kind of? It says, part 1, our introduction. The ancient Druids, the Druid revival, Druids today, the one life, the two currents, the three rays, the four elements, observation, meditation, divination, ritual, preparing for your initiation, a ritual of self-initiation. So, I love it. All right, let's see what we got here. And as always, they always give you an extra piece to do your own magic with. And we have, as we walk along the forest path, the sounds of rustling leaves and singing birds fill the air. The wind gently animates each branch among the towering oaks, almost as if the giants were letting you know that they were aware of our presence. As we come to the standing stone amidst the grove, we can hear the running water passing through the nearby stream. We have arrived where the brilliant sun blesses us, flowing through the center of the earth. Our ritual can now begin. We are overwhelmingly connected with this very special collection, full of unique, charming tools that were curated to bring you closer to the spirit of nature and deep wisdom that can be found within the energies of that flourish there. Join us in June as we walk the Druid path towards fulfillment and understanding. And the magical items in the boxes are as follows. It goes into the hardcover, beautiful Druid Path, a modern tradition of nature spirituality by John Michael Greer. You must first say that we have read every word of this beautiful book and are thrilled to have the opportunity to share it with you. Aside from the bounty of information regarding the origins, lore, purpose, and ancient and modern Druidry, John Michael Greer takes us through all observations, meditations, and rituals leading up to a solitary initiation in this nature wisdom path. John Michael Greer, born 1962, is an American author and Druid, writing on ecology, Druidry, magic, and the occult. It goes on and on and on. Okay, and then we got the beautiful Book of Shadows on the Druidry by, of course, A.E. Alden. And then it goes into the exclusive crafted black lava stone candle holder. We're so excited to include this custom created black lava stone candle holder, crafted specifically for this very special collection. We have made the opening to this stone as large as we could to ensure that you will be able to use it for multiple candles you choose. The lava stone can be placed upon your altar to represent earth or fire. The stone is cooled volcano lava, cooled rapidly by a sudden temperature change, such as exposure to water. The high concentration of iron and magnetism, manganese, gives this lava rock its dark charcoal color. A wonderful porous stone, black lava is also known for being crafted into beads as a tool for absorbing essential oils. Within your practice, you can feed this stone with oils or water elixirs. Black lava rock builds a deep connection with Mother Earth, providing a sense of calm relief. Ooh. Mystical stone, it also dispels negativity and provides courage during times of unease and uncertainty. For the purpose of Druidry, this wonderful stone represents both the sun and earth and can provide you with energies of the two currents: elemental association, fire, earth, celestial association, sun and earth. So really, really beautiful. Then we have our candle, which was the green candle. It's called the Opening the Grove Anointed Spell Candle. They have hand-rolled this and Opening the Grove spell candle with the purpose of including it within your Opening the Grove ritual, or simply to use during your practice as representation of fire or earth. Before you begin, okay. This spell candle has been anointed with the oils of cedarwood, sandalwood, cypress, and pine. And they give you the prayer for the candle. To accompany your open growth candle, or reciting it or singing it during a ritual. Of course, by A.E. Alden. Tree Guide Magical Anointing Oil. Beautiful. With the intention of helping you during your moments of observation. In addition, this oil is a source of connection with the natural world that surrounds you. They recommend using this oil during meditation to bolster the energies of earth. It is made with the oils of sage, green tea, amber, sandalwood, cedarwood, and palo santo. And they've included vervain, peppermint, and mugwort herbs. And they mixed it with their special oil called Guided Meditation, which is mixed into here. Palo santo and copal incense sticks. We've included this very special set, rolled fragrance, to allow the smoke to wave through your sacred space. Take the time to let go and recharge and connect. Geode, pre-cut geode. Where'd you go, my pre-cut geode? Oh, it rolled. It rolled all the way down there. Our pre-cut geode. Oh, it says pre-cut. Maybe you just got to hit it. The opportunity to include this pre-cut crystal geode with your box. These small treasures always provide you with a radiant surprise, a wonderful metaphor to see the stone that looks insignificant on the outside, but when you open it, provides a doorway to another world. In addition to its base energies of positivity, this stone provides immediate regulation in any emotional or energetic disorder, allowing you to think more clearly, act more resolutely. I'm not sure. And stay connected with the purpose of rituals that you're feeling. Okay. Then it goes to the rise of Owen, sacred salt, formatted to bring you in the alignment with your own personal Owen. Druid tradition, this is called Owen, the spirit of creativity and inspiration. The ability to imagine, to invoke, and to create is the distinct way that one life expresses itself in us. And then it goes on to other stuff here. This is a vital stage of the process as it leaves room for new points of view and understanding. Palo Santo de Geode. Golden sickle herb has been created with the intention of providing deep connection to your natural surroundings. It can be placed on your altar, included with other blends and elixirs. It can be incorporated into magical pouches and bags. It says, this herb is included with this blend: mistletoe, vervain, and clover. And then it goes into what each one of those are, what they're good for and what they do. Like mistletoe is commonly known for being a supreme magical herb. Vervain is vitality. Clover is good for opening doorways. Then we got the Druid Vision Ritual Herb. Been created with the intentions of supporting your divinatory and observational rituals. And same thing, placed upon your altar. You can add this to bags, elixirs, and so forth. Mugwort is in here. Good for psychic and astral traveling. Peppermint, psychic herb, and jasmine for grounding. The personal oracle card is from the Gaia Oracle deck by Tony Carmen Salerano. And then, of course, the parchment paper. So what do you guys think? Oh, did I miss this? I missed this. The Black Lava Stone Book of Shadow Sheet. Of course, by A.E. Alden. I must have jumped over that somehow in here. Anyway, yeah, here it is, by A.E. Alden. Gorgeous. As always, guys, let me know what you think. I will leave the description about this box down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.